problem. Spin again.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.
Let's do this, man.
Get ready for the mighty trail, Hal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Your turn, Ronald. Good luck. I can't believe I just said that.
It's Ronald time!
The mighty trail awaits. Tally-ho! I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Daisy!
I just love these wild places.
Squeaks!
Road trip? Count the mouse in.
Bath time! Woof! My pal Hal needs a bath. Spin again! Hal!
Don't you just love a road trip? I know I do.
Welcome to Yellowstone National Park. There are more geysers in Yellowstone than anywhere else on Earth. Old Faithful is Yellowstone's best-known geyser. It erupts several times a day. At the heart of Yellowstone National Park is a very large, active volcano. Its heat fuels the park's geysers and hot springs.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near, near, near.
Ronald!
Boom shakalaka!
Man, oh man, there's a drought and you forgot to set up your rain barrel. You lose 5.
Let's do this! There's so much nature to see!
Welcome to Grand Canyon National Park. There are 22 species of bats that live in the Grand Canyon. Man, oh man, they fly fast. Can you spot them? Pictographs found on canyon walls at the Grand Canyon are evidence of people who hunted, lived, or passed through the area thousands of years ago. Over a very long period of time, the Colorado River carved out the very deep canyon you know as the Grand Canyon. Erosion, am I right?
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near, near, near.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! It's Daisy's turn!
I wonder what I'll find over here.
You built a bat box for local bats in the area to roost. You earned 10.
And now the small but mighty Squeaks.
I think I smell cheese in this direction. Cheese!
You made it to Old Faithful, just in time to see it erupt. You earned 10.
Spin that spinner, Hal!
Ah, I just love nature.
Incredible! You spotted obsidian at Yellowstone National Park! You earned 25! Okay, fine. Spin if you must, Ronald.
The Ronald's on the board, baby.
Nature tap! Onward and trailward! Give it a super spin, Daisy!
Man, oh man, this is sweet!
Squeaks, spin away!
Let's do this, man.
It's your turn, Hal, my pal.
I think I'll frolic to my next spot.
Ronald, may the spin be with you.
It's Ronald time.
You hiked to the bottom of the Grand Canyon with Granny Bunny. Love you, Granny Bunny. You earned 25. If you're me, Hal, or my pal Daisy Tutu also, you get another 10.
It's my turn. I sure hope there's no water on this trail. Time to hit the trail, Daisy. Tally-ho.
I just love these wild places.
Welcome to the Great Salt Lake. This salty body of water is an important stop for millions of migrating birds every fall and spring. Wait, did I just say that?
The Great Salt Lake is one of the saltiest in the world. Much saltier than the ocean. As many as 500,000 Wilson's phalaropes use the Great Salt Lake as a resting place when they migrate.
Congratulations on winning your park souvenir! Near.
Onward and cheeseward, Squeaks.